How to pay with Visa gift card on Pandabuy. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today I'll guide you and how you can pay using Visa gift card on Pandabuy. Well, if you're trying to pay or make a purchase using the Visa gift card on a Pandabuy and you're trying to find the option to redeem your gift card, well, unfortunately, that option doesn't exist. However, there is a way around. So the process is simple. Let me guide you through. All you gotta do is first select the items that you would like to make the purchase using the gift card, right? Using your Visa gift card. Once you have selected the item, make sure that the price of the item is less than the amount in your Visa gift card, so that your Visa gift card, you'll be able to cover all your purchase expense using that particular Visa gift card. Now the next step is to simply head into the checkout option, right? On the checkout page there, you'll get the option to select your payment method. On the payment method, you want to select the credit or debit card option. There, if you notice it, you should be able to see that it accepts the Visa card as well. So you want to select the credit debit card option that says Visa Pay, and then you want to go ahead and select the Visa card option, and then enter in your gift card details like you enter in your credit card details, add in some extra details, and you're good to go. This is how you can pay with Visa gift card on Pandabuy. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.